Have you ever wondered how government systems prevent one branch from gaining too much control? Let's break down checks and balances. At its core, this system is about accountability. It ensures that authority is distributed so that every action has a countermove. The system relies on three distinct branches. By separating powers, the government maintains a steady state that protects against extreme shifts. These mechanisms allow each branch to limit the others. For example, the president can veto a bill, while Congress can override that veto. Separation of powers creates the roles, while checks and balances act as the guardrails that keep everyone within their lane. While influence varies by context, the goal is an equal distribution of power so that no single branch becomes supreme. This philosophy ensures that the system remains stable, protecting citizens by forcing compromise and careful deliberation on major policy decisions. Understanding these foundations helps you better grasp how policy affects the economy. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more basics.